Yeah. Hello all. Welcome back.
Mm,
So in the previous session, we have gone through what is that? The creation of reconciliation
because
account, right?
mm,
So now in this class, we will go through the creation of cash account determination.
mm,
What is that?
cash account determination.
Cash account
Determination.
determination. Okay,
Mm,
this is what is the cash account.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
so now let me go through that. So, but before going through this, I just would like to tell you one thing about the cash account, which is nothing but we use this only for cash sale process. What is
mm.
the process?
Cash sale process.
Yes, we use the cash account determination only for cash sale process. So what do you know about the cash sales? Immediate delivery should be X, right?
Mm.
Then what will be the shipping condition?
Shipping condition.
It's 10.
Mm,
So what will happen in the cash sale process? When you create the cash sale order, the delivery will get created automatically.
mm,
Then we have to go through the change mode of the delivery and we have to create post goods issue,
mm.
right?
Okay.
So now let me create one cash sale order, then you will come to know that.
Mm,
So here I will go through the transaction VA01
mm.
and what is the order type? Which is CS, right? For the cash sale.
Yes.
Now
Mm,
let me give CS and here I am giving our customer.
mm,
Okay, and here let me give one material.
mm,
See, here let me tell you one more thing.
mm.
So if we have given shipping condition, where we give the shipping condition,
Shipping condition and cash sales and rush order.
that's okay. But where we give the shipping condition to the
To the
customer,
customer.
right?
Mm,
Okay, we
mm,
will give the shipping condition at the customer master level. See, I will show
mm,
you that. If we go through the transaction XD02, here it is nothing but the change mode of the customer master. So here
mm,
in the shipping, we can able to see the shipping condition,
mm.
right?
Okay.
So this is what is the shipping condition.
Mm.
So here, how the shipping point will get determined?
Shipping condition loading group plant.
Wait, shipping condition plus loading group plus
Mm,
plant, right?
plant.
So
Mm,
here in this case, the shipping condition will take from customer master.
mm,
Okay, it
mm,
will happen in the normal case,
mm,
but for cash sales and rush orders,
mm.
for cash sales and rush
Rush
orders,
order.
the shipping condition will be takes from document type controls.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Mm,
let me show you that. See, I have gone through the transaction VO V8 and here the sales document type is cash sale CS.
mm.
And see, for which, what is the shipping condition here? 10.
10.
And
Mm,
for other sales, what is this? For other sales order types, see, let me take sales document type war. For which, what is the shipping condition here? It will be none.
mm.
Okay.
Okay.
See, if we maintain the ship, shipping conditions here in the document type controls. Then system will give the first preference to the shipping condition which we maintain here. Okay, even if you maintain the shipping condition in the customer master, the system will not give the preference to the shipping condition. Okay. Then the system will give the preference to the shipping condition which you have in the document type controls. And we will maintain the shipping condition in the document type controls only for rush orders and cash sale, right? RO and what is this? Cash sale CS. So what will be the shipping condition here? It is 10. Okay, so now let me check the configuration once. So how the shipping point will get determined?
Shipping condition, loading group, plant.
Yes. And what is the transaction we use to determine the shipping point?
VL02.
OVL2. Okay. See here. Let me see the shipping condition 10. See, shipping condition 10 and loading group 0001 and our plant is M100, right? See this one. Okay. So what is the shipping point? M100 is the shipping point. So now let me make it as M200. Okay. See, now let me create one sales order. See here, first I will create with the normal order. Okay, I use the same customer and here I will use the same material. And if we go through the shipping, here we can able to find what is that? The shipping point is M100. Okay, which got determined based on the shipping condition 01, which is from the customer master, as it is the normal order. Okay, so now let me create the same sales order for cash sales. So here I use the same customer and the same material. So what will be the shipping condition here? Shipping condition is 10, right? Which has taken from document type controls. And here the shipping point is differ, which is nothing but M200. So I think you are clear with it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let me save the cash sale order. So what will happen if you save the cash sale order? Then the delivery will get created automatically. See here the cash sale has been saved and the delivery also got created. Right?
Yeah.
So now what we have to do? We have to go through the change mode of the delivery. Then we have to give the picking quantity in the same way here the storage location. Then we have to do the post goods issue. Okay. So after completion of the post goods issue, what we have to do? We have to go through the creation of the
invoice.
Which invoice? Here it is cash sale invoice. Okay. See. So now let me go through the transaction VF01 and let me save it. See here the cash sale invoice got saved. And we are having an error in the account determination. Okay, but if we create the normal order and normal invoice, where we will not get this error. Okay, because here the revenue account determination, the procedure which will be differs to the cash sales. Okay, so now let me go through the change mode of this billing document and see here. See, if we see here, what is the procedure? KOFI00, right? This is what is the procedure. And for the normal invoice, it is the one which we are using. It's nothing but MOFI00.
Okay.
So now let me check it once. See, I have used the transaction VOFA to check it. See, the normal invoice F2, right? So here, this is what is our procedure. But for cash sales, what is the billing type for cash sales? It's a BV, right?
BV.
So for cash sales, it is, see this one. Okay, KOFI00. Are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so now let me go through the configuration. Okay. Before we are going through the configuration, I will ask you a small question. So if you create the cash sale invoice, will system generate the accounting document?
Accounting document. No.
No?
Accounting document. Generates.
Yes, the system will generate the accounting document. So what will be the accounting entry then?
Cash settlement account, debit, revenue account, credit.
Yes, it is cash settlement account debit to revenue account credit, right? See, here for which system determines the GL account for cash settlement account based on the cash account determination. Okay? System determines the, what is that? GL account, nothing but the general ledger account for cash settlement account based on, what is that? The cash
settlement account debit.
Yes, but it will be based on the cash determination procedure. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to create this procedure. So for which now let me go through the path. So what is the path? SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, and here
Sales and distribution.
yes, sales and distribution. Then basic functions, and here account assignment and costing. Okay, see here we can see cash account determination, right? This one. So here the cash account determination also will be based on the condition technique. Okay, so as you know, the condition technique means we will create the condition tables first, then access sequence, then condition type, then the procedure, and we will assign the procedure, right? So now let me go through each step here from the creation of the condition tables. See, now let me create a condition table. See, I have gone through the creation mode now. See, here I will create the condition table with the field sales organization. Okay, so now let me generate the table. So here we have to give some package. So now let me save it. See here, the table 507 got saved, right? So now let me go through the creation of the access sequence. See, what is the standard access sequence for cache sale account? We will use cache only as the access sequence. Okay, so now let me create our new entry here. What is that? As our company code starts with M, right? So MASH, that's what I would like to give. Is it okay? MASH. Let me give the capital letters. This is for cache sales, right? So now let me select it and let me go through the accesses. So here we have to give the table number. What is the table which got generated now?
Table
507, right? So it consists of only the field sales organization. So now let me select it and let me go through the fields. Then what we have to do? We have to save it. Okay. See here we have created the access sequence MASH. So now what we have to do? We have to create the condition types, right? So in which I will give our condition type MASH. This is for cache sales. And what is our access sequence? MASH only, right? That's what we have created. So now let me save it. Okay. And here the next process is to maintain the account determination procedure. See, what is the standard procedure used for the cache sales? KOFIAC. This is what is the standard procedure. But in the billing type we have seen KOFI 00, right? That's what is the standard procedure used for the normal invoices. Okay. So as it is the test system, we have changed it in the previous class. But this is what is the procedure we use for the cache sales. Okay. So now here what I will do, I will create a new procedure. So now let me create our procedure MOFIAC. So this is what is the cache sales procedure. Okay. So now let me select it and let me go through the control data. So what we have to give here? Here we have to go through the new entries and we have to give our condition type. So what is the condition type we have created? MO? Yes? MASH. Okay. So now let me save it. Okay. So now let me go back here. Let me go back from here. See here the next one is to assign the GL account. this one. But before that, I will assign the account determination procedure. See, now what is our billing type? CASH, right? Means cash shell. BV is our billing type. So for which I will assign our procedure. What is that? Yeah.
MASH.
MASH? No. MOFIAC. Okay. This is what is the procedure we have created. So now let me save it. Okay. So now we have to go through the assignment of the GL accounts. So now let me click on here and see what is the table we have generated so far. 507 only, right? So now let me click on this table, and if we go inside the table, here we have to give the new entries. What is the application?
Application.
Yes, it is. If it is if it is V, means sales and distribution, means in normally we will use it for revenue account determination, right? And if it is VB, this is what we have used for
reconciliation.
Yes, reconciliation account determination. And for the cash settlement one,
VC.
what is that?
VC.
Yes, VC, this one. Okay, so now let me select it. And what is our condition type?
MASH.
MASH. And what is the chart of account?
INT.
Okay. Then our sales organization is M100, right? So here let me give any of the GL account. So we have to create the new GL accounts for which, but here I will use the standard one. Okay, so I think you are aware of how to create the GL accounts, right? In the previous session we have gone through this. So I think you are clear.
Okay.
So now here I will use 1,70,000. Is it okay? So this is what is the GL account which I am using now. So now let me save it. Okay, see here we have already created, right? And what we have to do next? We have to assign this procedure, whatever the procedure we have created, to our billing type. So what is the transaction we use to go for the billing types?
VOFA.
VOFA. So here our billing type is EV. Now let me go inside this one and see. Here we can see what is this? The account key. Okay, so for the cash shell process, either we will use the account key with our account determination procedure, or else we will use the cash settlement account here. Okay, this is the standard one, and instead of which we have created this one, right? So either we can use this procedure here, or else we can use the standard revenue account determination procedure along with this account key. So now in this case I will use this one. So now let me save it. See here, if we create the sales order in the cash shell process, Then now let me go through the customer and here the material. So now I will save the order. Then after creation of the cash shell order, what we have to do? We have to go through the change mode of the delivery. Here I give the storage location and the picked quantity. And now I will click on post goods issue. Okay. So once we go through the post goods issue, what will happen? Stock movement will happen, right? In the same way.
Inventory account document generates.
Yes. So now let's create the invoice. So this is what is the cash sale invoice. Okay. So now let me save it. See here the document got saved and here we can see the account document. So for which if you go through the accounting and if you go through the, what is this? See here. See, previously we used to find the customer account here, right? 666. But here we cannot able to find that because this is the cash sale accounting. Means this is the cash sale account. Okay. See here, it's not debited from the customer account because in the cash sale process, the customer will give the cash immediately when he purchase the product. At that time, the customer means what is this? The delivery copy will be given to the customer. In the same way, invoice will be generated. So the cash sale process, in the cash sale process, we will not post the, what is that?
Accounting.
No, we will post the accounting, means we will post it into the accounting, and here the accounting entry is cash sale account debit to, yeah, cash settlement account debit to revenue account credit. Okay. And for which what is the account key we will use? EVV, right? And that's what we have assigned here in the, yeah, this one we have assigned here in this table, EVV. Okay. So now I think you are clear with it.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you. Bye.